Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how you can download Fortnite from your Google Play Store on Android devices. Here we go guys. First, you head into your Google Play Store, you search Fortnite, and this will not work because they haven't agreed yet of putting it in the Play Store. So, we're going to head out, go into Google, then you're going to write Fortnite install, Android install. You're going to go down to the second site, androidauthority.com, and they'll have just like a button that you click on and it will redirect you to the Play Store, the Google Play Store. And that's how you get Fortnite. Here it is, Fortnite. I already installed it on my phone. It works great. It's only a little laggy. They need to fix that. It lags a little, but it's good. So finally, guys, on Android, we have got it. It doesn't work right now, but I already had the app. First, I played it, and it's good. So, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. We're almost at 100 subscribers. If you aren't subscribed yet, subscribe.